Good morning, arrived on the job. I'm going to clean all the foliage off. So, looking nice with the colours though, isn't it? So we're up on the roof, cracked tile there. You can see everything's sort of all pulled away. Everything's basically heading down south. So you can see where that's all pulled away. So I'm going to carefully remove it and take lots of pictures of what we've got so we can hopefully replace everything the way it came off. I'm going to remove the flaunching, but it's stuck to a few tiles. So what I'm trying to do is grind down through and remove sort of sections of it if I can. So let's see how we get on. So I've managed to remove the flaunching going up to there. One tile unfortunately didn't make it, the top one, but I've managed to save all the others. So I now want to remove these backs to get to this area. Okay, so I've numbered the tiles from the bottom upwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We get up to 20. Tile 20 was broken. So yeah, we're going to remove those now. Okay, so I've gained access. You can see lots of loose bricks. There's slate in there. Electric cable there. So all of this is all kind of pretty loose. So yeah, we'll go underneath in a minute. Okay, so here we are down below. There's a piece of wood. And so we've got all these loose bricks behind here. A bit of tin or something there. So I'll take that all out, give that all a clean up. Sorry about the radio. Yeah, I've had to take up a few more higher to actually get those bricks back in. So that's where we are. Okay, so I've re-put in half a dozen, 7, 8 bricks, or whatever it was, and refilled up to a level. And let's have a look on top now. So up on top, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 new bricks. Well, 7 bricks put back in, and filled up the edges, ready so we can point to that. But I'm going to have to do it in slight stages because I don't want to put too much on. I'm actually quite pleased how it's come out. So yeah, there we go. Just cover it up now. Good morning. So what I've done today is I've built that out about another 25 mil. As you can see, going all the way up. And so I just need to do another 25 mil coat, and I'll flush that all in towards the wood. So what I'm going to do now is going to come and remove the flaunching from this side, which you can sort of see it's kind of loose. It's grabbed a couple of tiles, so just be really careful in taking it off. So that's where we are with it. While I'm here, there's a lot of things that are like sort of falling off, and as you can see, all this is all gone. Not round here. just sort of a hanging on with dear hope, really. Okay, so I've managed to remove that, so that's all good. I've popped a couple of screws into this batten, which was hanging off, and the same on this side. But this batten under here, if you can see it, as you can see, it's all a bit rotten, so I'll get a new batten for there. So yeah, and built that up, ready for another layer. So I've screwed a new piece of batten in, but as you can see, it's not really a lot to screw into, so yeah, it's soft and horrible, but it's got a firm grip and it's better having it there than not. So you see this is all rotten. So I'll try and put a new batten across there anyway. Okay, so new battens, new flaunching. I'll pop another tile in there as well. We found a stack of tiles, so I popped a few other tiles in. Flaunching all good. So a new batten and another tile in there. So as you see, we cannot see daylight. So I think we're all good to go.